Hello again, dear listener. As you relax tonight, I want to remind you of something very important. You are enough. Yes, just as you are. Not when you lose weight, not when you succeed, not when you make everyone happy. Right now, in this moment, you are enough. Take a soft, deep breath. Let it out slowly. Feel your body sinking into the bed. Feel your shoulders become lighter. You do not need to try so hard. You do not need to fix everything. You do not need to carry the whole world. You have done your best today, and that is enough. Maybe someone made you feel small. Maybe you told yourself you're not good enough. But those are just thoughts. They are not the truth. The truth is, you are doing the best you can. You are learning. You are growing. And that is beautiful. Repeat softly in your mind, I am enough. I am worthy of love. I don't need to be perfect. I am already whole. Let go of the pressure. Let go of the noise. Let go of the need to be more. You are not your mistakes. You are not your past. You are not your fears. You are your kindness. You are your courage. You are the way you keep going, even when it's hard. Even when no one sees your effort, you are still enough. Even when you feel tired or unsure, you are still enough. You don't need to do more. You don't need to be more. You just need to be yourself. Now imagine a soft light around you. It's warm and gentle. It wraps around your heart and whispers, you are loved. You are safe. You are enough. Let this light stay with you tonight. Let it hold you as you sleep. Let it remind you that you are never alone. No matter what tomorrow brings, remember this. You are enough. Good night, dear one. Rest well. You are doing just fine.